Hi, I am Mithilesh. In this lecture, let's look up triangles. The difference between similar and congruent, criteria for similarity of two triangles, properties of triangle and similarity conditions, areas and corresponding sides relation. In this lecture, we would see the difference between similar and congruent figures. Polygons with same radii or side, etc. are called or known to be congruent, and polygons are called similar if they are of same shape only. If I consider two circles with different radii and squares with the same side, could you define what is congruent and what is similar? Try it out. Two polygons which are congruent can be similar, but which are similar cannot be congruent. Similarity of triangles. Two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. We have certain theorems to be governed while solving problems. Theorem 1. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. What he's going to say is, if I'm passing a line DE which is parallel to BC, then he says that AD, AE will be in the same ratio with AB and AC. That is what he means by that theorem. Criteria of similarity of two triangles. Corresponding angles of the two triangles must be equal and their corresponding sides must be in the same ratio geometrically. That is, if A and E coincide, then angle A must be equal to angle E. That is the first criteria. The second criteria is EF by AB should be equal to EG by AC, or the reverse of it, vice versa. Property 1. If two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, and hence the two triangles are similar. Try working out the proof using the first theorem. This can be known as AAA property or angle property, and can be used to determine the similarity in triangles when we are asked to. Another property is, in two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional to the other sides of the triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal, and hence the two triangles are similar. This is known as side property and can be used in the similar way to determine the similarity of the triangle. Let's look into an example. A boy of height 90 centimeters is walking away from the base of a lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meters per second. If the lamp is 3.6 meters above the ground, find the length of the shadow after 4 seconds. Let AB be my lamp post and CD be the boy after 4 seconds. It's given that height of CD or length of CD is 0.9 meters. Always keep track of the dimensions. Lamp is given to be 3.6 meters in height. Now, from B to D, it has been 4 seconds and the velocity taken is 1.2 meter per second. Therefore, I can write BD is equal to 1.2 into 4, which is equal to 4.8 meters, isn't it? Now, my B is 90 degrees and D is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle D. And angle E of triangle AEB is equal to angle E of triangle CDE. Therefore, the two triangles are similar. Triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE. Therefore, their sides are proportional from property 1. So I can write them as AB, that is 3.6, by CD, that is 0.9, is equal to, we have to find out DE, which I call it X over here, which is equal to AEB, which is equal to 4.8 plus X, by DE, which is equal to X. Now 0.9 goes 4 times, therefore 4x is equal to 4.8 plus x. 4x minus x gives me 3x, and x is equal to 4.8 by 3, which is equal to 1.6 meters. The ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. I have already taught you how to calculate the area of triangles. So it is the same procedure to be calculated for the similarity of triangles also. Thank you. Hope you understood.